welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it was a challenge between me and my student, and she tried to make this shinchan which I have previously uploaded to my channel. I hope you guys like that video. She made a super cute shinchan. Please watch this video until it ends and do let me know in the comment section how was her work. Guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link in description. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to share with your artist friend, and please do like and subscribe to my channel for more.